So guys, thank you for checking ACUMAN. This is Alex. Okay, let's finish this real quick. Because after we recording this program, I have to go back to prepare a presentation. Speaking of the presentation, that you just hiccup so hard that you cannot even normally talk. And also, what's the best way to stop the hiccup? The way I know is we can sip some water in our mouth, then swallow it in 7 times. But you cannot talk when you have water in your mouth, right? So, in this kind of situation, what should we do? Luckily, I have my Shifu, who is a grandmaster of Chinese medicine, Kung Fu, and making Kung Pao chicken. He used to tell me, don't panic, Alex. In this kind of situation, you just need to press 1 acupoint, and then your hiccup will stop immediately. So, which acupoint? Let's find it out. The acupoint we're going to use today is called Neiguan. So where's Neiguan? The Neiguan point is right below your wrist, like 3 fingers. We're going to use 3 fingers as a measurement this time. From our wrist, use 3 fingers, and then the point right in the middle of the 2 bones, which means here, is the Neiguan point. Why it works? Because massage Neiguan point has the effect of calming body and regulating breath. By regulating nerves, Neiguan point can suppressing snoring by relieving tension. So how should we press Neiguan point? We're going to use our thumb to find Neiguan point, then press it with the mildly power. But keep doing that for 3 minutes, press another side. And after this 6 minutes, I guarantee the hiccup is just wiped away. Some people may not like the feeling that pick their fingers right between the 2 bones. We want to press Neiguan point with mildly power. Remember to use the surface of your thumb, which means here. Just doing that by a relaxable way, then it will be work. My Shifu used to tell me, 无息而急隐隐之 which means we can hold our breath to stop the hiccup. But in some really extreme situation, like you have to talk with someone, so remember what I told you. Just in this kind of situation, press Neiguan point and it will stop your problem. Alright, that's this ACUMAN. If you like our program, just subscribe to us or leave your comments below. Okay, until next time, bye!